How to enable Gyroscope in PUBG. Are you looking to improve your aim and control in PUBG Mobile? If yes, enabling the Gyroscope can make a big difference. First of all, open your PUBG Mobile game on your device, and once you're inside the lobby screen, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the small arrow, and then from the expanded menu, tap Settings. Inside Settings, go to the right-hand corner and tap on Controls. Underneath Controls, tap on Advanced Controls from the top and then scroll down from the Advanced Control setting. Look for Gyroscope underneath. So here's the Gyroscope option. Click on Always On right under Gyroscope. Select if you'd like to enable the reverse or disable the reverse gyroscope option from the menu, and right there you have successfully enabled gyroscope in PUBG. Now you can exit the settings menu and then jump onto the training ground or a match to try the gyroscope. Tilt your device to control aim and see how it feels. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.